I think I'm inside the thing. Yes, I'm inside. Feels warm in here, but I'm not resting here. Now where is the heart? There it is! The heart. Alright, let's give this a chop. Wait a minute, what's going on? Yeah, the digestive system. It's glitching around me. I must do it. Ah! Ow! My stomach! Get out of my stomach! Oh my gosh. Is it okay? Should I go near? Can someone hold me? Ugh. Huh? Don't worry, you're safe now. Thanks so much. Oh. Oh my gosh. Taki? Wait a minute. You're a Chainsaw Man? Oh, yeah. Didn't my voice sound familiar with that? You saved the school, Taki. I am pretty proud of you. Yeah, I'm proud of you too, man. Especially with that lizard devil over there. Cool. Now I'm gonna get some water from the canteen. Okay. Principal here to make an announcement, but, who on earth did this? Oh no. Hold on, wait a minute. A lizard devil? Chainsaws? What are you talking about, young man? It's a long story and a lot to take in, but please ease, Principal. Please ease. I saved the school from that thing. What are you gonna do? Well, the options are pay for all of the damage you done, or you get expelled by me. What? Are you serious? Excuse me, officer here. I'll take this kid back to his home and we can talk about it. But he has to pay $10,000 for all the stuff that he destroyed. Nonsense, he's a kid, he doesn't have that much. If you continue on acting into children like this, you're under arrest. Do you understand? Well, yes. Good. Now come on, Taki. I have some important talking to talk with you.